Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 basic Java interview questions. Describe garbage collection in Java. Garbage collection is a mechanism by which Java reclaims the memory inaccessible by the application. So you create an object in your application. Sometimes it goes out of the scope, but it has used a lot of memory. So in order to reclaim the memory from the unreachable object, the object that has gone out of the scope, so reclaiming those memories so that we can reuse those memory in a JVM is done by a background thread called garbage collector. So it's a background low priority thread which will be keep on running and searching for unreachable objects, and it will reclaim the memory and it will be reused. So this is where garbage collection concept comes in JVM. What are the different types of polymorphism in Java? That is static function overloading and runtime overriding of virtual functions. Polymorphism in Java. What are the different ways of using threads? Extending thread class and implementing runnable interface. There are two ways you can do. You can extend the thread class or you can implement the runnable interface. Since Java does not support multiple inheritance, the best recommendation is use the runnable interface, so that in future if you want to extend any of the parent class, okay, you can still do it in your thread class. So the moment you extend from the thread class, so you lose that inheritance opportunity. So best suggestion is use implementing runnable interface, so that in future you can extend any other class. Difference between composition and inheritance. Composition is a has a relationship. Inheritance is a relationship. Composition is a has a relationship. So for example, car has an engine, whereas here van is a type of vehicle. Okay, so car has an engine and van is a type of vehicle, something like that. So it depends on the context. You can go ahead, you can consider your class design. You can prefer composition over inheritance, because there are a lot of coupling in the coupling happens during inheritance, whereas in composition it's not coupled more to the classes. It's like more like abstract. So the more preference is given to composition. What are static variables? Static variables correspond to the class and not to objects. All objects share that variable. Please remember, static means attached to the class and not to the objects. Though you can access static methods and variables using the object, it's not exactly the same. If you check the decompiled code, you can see that compiler would have been changed that to class name. So please remember, static means at the class level, not at the objects. Hope these questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.